What's up guys, it's me your Gmail. So here is the speed test. Yes, the Wi-Fi speed test for you. And then here we go. Let me show you the speed test. Let's go. How fast is the Wi-Fi? Let me show you how fast is the Wi-Fi. How fast is the Wi-Fi? How fast is the Wi-Fi? It's connected to a server, which is awesome. Okay, sadly my mistake. I didn't turn on the Wi-Fi. Come on, my mistake. I accept my mistake. Now at least you should connect. Yeah, now here we go. It's connected already. Let me show you an A2 mode because I need a high refresh rate here. The Wi-Fi is quite good as you can see by yourself. I'm using the warm light. If you're thinking what kind of light I'm using the warm light. The Wi-Fi is quite fast. Literally, yes, the Wi-Fi is quite fast. So yeah, it's quite fast. It was me, G Maggie, subscribe and bye.